Hello, this is Todd. Yeah, I can help you with recycling. Carpet? A lot of carpet. A whole lot of carpet. I'm Todd Sutton, Waste Sleuth. I've been called to a high-rise hotel. They have over 1,000 rooms of remodeling, all full of carpet, and they don't want it landfilled. I'm gonna figure out how to have it recycled.
Hi, Todd.
Hi, Rob. How you doing?
Great, good to see you.
So all of these rooms are being remodeled, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we have 32 floors, and each floor is approximately 40 square yards of carpet that we're pulling out of here.
And the padding.
Yeah, the padding, the carpet of 1,014 guest rooms. And as we tear this stuff out, we have to haul it downstairs and put it in the dumpster. I just don't want to do that anymore. I want to be able to get a benefit for this and maybe reuse it somewhere.
So 40,000 square yards, given the volume, it's quite a challenge. Rob, I'll be getting a hold of you in the next couple days.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
I had to think fast. So I hunted around and found a facility in San Francisco that just might be able to answer my questions. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, I'm Todd.
Hi, Todd. I'm Ellen. Nice to meet you.
Wow, Ellen, you have a ton of carpet in here. How much of this would normally go into the landfill?
Well, in the United States, there's over 5 billion pounds of carpet that gets torn out, and most of it goes into the landfill today.
5 billion pounds. How many pounds do you send out of here a month?
So right now, we're receiving about 5 containers a day. So there's anywhere from 20,000 to 40,000 in a day. We're doing probably 5 to 10 million pounds a year.
You're telling me you do 5 to 10 million pounds a year in this warehouse? Impressive. First
thing, we're receiving carpet that comes out of houses and things like that. We receive it here and figure out what it's made out of.
Whoa, okay. This is a bunch of carpet padding.
Once we get the carpet, we're taking the carpet and the pad out, sorting between the carpet and the pad.
Right,
and so
okay.
it needs to get broken apart into the different pieces so that some parts can get used for one thing and other parts for something else. So we figure out the valuable parts with this light spectrometer here. So what it does is it sends out a piece of light and then it checks what comes back, and there's a certain signature on the material so it can figure out what type of material.
So I just hold it up to here?
Polypropylene.
Wow, that's pretty cool. It even sounds pretty sophisticated.
Nylon 66. Polypropylene.
Okay, poly.
Nylon 66.
Nylon 66.
So what I do is I make different piles depending on which kind it is, and when I get a big enough pile, then I'm going to bale it. So we put the carpet in, and there's a giant plunger that comes down with 50,000 pounds of force and squishes it into a cube. The reason why we make those cubes is so that we can fit a lot of it on a truck to send it off to the place where it gets recycled into something new.
Ellen, thank you for the tour today. And you told me that there's a place in Fresno that will take your bales and recycle it further?
Chamlian in Fresno. You should go see them. They've got some pretty neat machinery in the processing.
Now that I know how carpet's prepared for recycling, it's time to see the next step of the process. So I'm on my way to Fresno, California to check out Chamlian Enterprises to see how they recycle carpet. Manny, I'm doing research on recycling carpet. Can you tell me about it?
Oh, not a problem. It'll be much better, though, if I show you.
Manny, I've never seen so much carpet in my life. This is massive. And does it all come in baled like this?
Quite frankly, I do have one collection center up north that does bale it for us.
So, Manny, how much do these bales weigh?
They weigh anywhere between 760 pounds to 900 pounds.
That's a lot of fiber.
Oh, yeah, it is.
It's good for breakfast. Whoa, what are they doing over here?
They're sizing the carpet down because carpet is very bulky and very, very heavy. And we're going to take that family of carpets and we are going to sanitize it, reweave it, re-needle it, and deliver it out as a carpet underlay felt pad for the commercial industry. It is combed in what we say open, and when you fluff up the fiber.
So it gets shred?
It actually gets de-looped.
It gets de-looped?
Because we don't shred here. We de-loop it. It's still got a lot of...
Oh, it's dirty.
Yeah,
it's dirty.
still got
Okay.
a lot of dust.
What's happening down there?
They're taking it into the cleaner system.
What's the shaker? Is that what's cleaning it, or why are you shaking it here?
It helps get out some of the sand backing. The shaker is not the only thing that does it.
I know. So, Manny, where's this stuff going?
This tube network,
Okay.
which is going to feed all the way through the tubing up through the comber silos, and then over into the feed silos for the production line itself.
So it's all coming in from here.
And it's fed out onto this belt.
This is like a giant sewing machine?
It's a giant sewing machine.
Okay.
That is.
Look at that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's beautiful.
It's going to go in here, and this is nothing more than a big convection oven. It's like Mom making brownies or cookies. That's
Okay.
what we're doing.
Easy bake oven makes carpet padding?
Absolutely.
This is the oven. This is the oven.
Absolutely. Now what we're going to do, it's still warm. This particular roller here, that's a cold roller. We're going to make it cold.
Wow. It's not hot at all.
Here's your finished product.
So this is a premium carpet pad right here?
This
Okay.
actually will add life to your carpet.
So, Manny, this is 100% recycled carpet.
Absolutely.
That's really cool. If this carpet pad is installed in an office and they, for whatever reason, take out carpet and the padding, that padding that came from you, if it were brought back to here, it would be recycled back into what, into padding again?
Absolutely.
So let me get this straight. The next time I'm walking through a hotel and I'm feeling the cush under my feet, I might be standing on some of your carpet padding. That's cool. I want to thank you for the tour. Very, very impressive. I've learned a lot, and now I know how carpet is recycled.
Hey, you're an expert. All right?
Thanks, Manny.
All right, Todd.